Welcome to Technoland Expart. Watch till the end and join us at our community where you will get the real platform to start your own business. This website appears to be an online grocery and food product marketplace designed to showcase and sell a wide variety of items, ranging from beverages and packaged foods to fresh vegetables and grocery essentials. The layout of the homepage effectively integrates modern e-commerce design principles with strategic marketing visuals to attract and retain customers. At the top, promotional banners highlight different collections such as Grocery Items Collection and Fresh Vegetable Collection, which immediately draw user attention with vibrant colors, clean typography, and a clear call to action button labeled Shop Now. This encourages visitors to explore product categories and make purchasing decisions. The Hot Deals section on the left sidebar displays discounted or popular products, such as juice bottles and frozen meals, accompanied by price tags and star ratings. These features help customers quickly identify value deals while creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity that drives impulse buying. The central Shop by Category section organizes items into categories like cameras, accessories, desktops, laptops, and monitors, though in this example, it seems to mix food products with electronics, possibly due to the use of a multipurpose e-commerce template. This design strategy suggests versatility, allowing the same structure to accommodate both digital and physical goods. Each product listing includes a thumbnail image, name, price, customer rating, quantity selector, and an add to cart button, streamlining the shopping experience by minimizing the steps between product discovery and purchase. The use of high-quality product images, particularly those featuring bright packaging and healthy, appealing foods, plays a vital role in evoking freshness and trust, which are key factors influencing online grocery sales. Moreover, the consistency of spacing, alignment, and color palette enhances visual harmony, ensuring that the browsing experience feels organized rather than cluttered. From a marketing perspective, this type of website layout is extremely effective in promoting brand identity and customer loyalty. First, it leverages visual storytelling by grouping food items under appealing lifestyle imagery, such as bags filled with fresh produce, which subconsciously connects the brand to health, quality, and convenience. Second, it utilizes digital merchandising techniques such as cross-promotion, where related products are showcased side by side to encourage multi-item purchases. Third, the inclusion of price and rating information directly beneath each product supports transparency and informed decision-making, both of which are crucial for building. Thanks for watching. Contact with us to join us at our community.